1. Market-oriented reforms. China's rapid economic growth began with the sweeping market-oriented reforms initiated in 1978 under Deng Xiaoping. These reforms shifted the economy from strict state control toward a mixed socialist market economy, introducing profit incentives, allowing private businesses, liberalizing prices, and opening the country to foreign trade and investment. The reforms led to a sharp and sustained increase in productivity, which became the primary driver of growth, overtaking capital accumulation. 2. Productivity gains and total factor productivity. Productivity improvements, especially in the wake of reforms, accounted for a significant portion of China's growth. Studies show that a 10% increase in TFP led to a 7.7% increase in real GDP, highlighting the crucial role of efficiency and innovation in driving economic expansion. 3. Large-scale capital investment. Massive investments in infrastructure, manufacturing, and urban development, financed by high domestic savings and foreign direct investment, fueled the expansion of productive capacity. Government spending and strategic planning, including the use of 5-year plans, played a key role in directing resources toward priority sectors. 4. Export-oriented manufacturing and trade liberalization. China became the world's factory by leveraging its vast labor force and low wages to become a dominant exporter of manufactured goods. The opening up to global trade and the creation of special economic zones attracted foreign investment and technology, further boosting exports and integration into global supply chains. Trade liberalization and the removal of barriers encouraged competition and innovation, which contributed to sustained growth. 5. Government policy and strategic state intervention. The Chinese government maintained a strong guiding role in the economy, using industrial policies, strategic investments, and targeted reforms to foster development in key sectors like technology, infrastructure, and manufacturing. The state's ability to experiment with reforms regionally before scaling them nationally allowed for pragmatic and adaptive economic management. 6. Urbanization and labor force mobilization. Rapid urbanization and the movement of hundreds of millions of people from rural areas to cities provided a steady supply of labor for industry and services, supporting large-scale manufacturing and construction booms. 7. Technological advancement and innovation. China invested heavily in science, technology, and education, developing sophisticated manufacturing supply chains and emerging as a leader in sectors such as electronics, pharmaceuticals, and automobiles. The country now hosts some of the world's top science and technology clusters, further driving economic modernization. 8. Poverty reduction and social development. Economic growth was accompanied by unprecedented poverty reduction, with nearly 800 million people lifted out of extreme poverty between 1978 and 2018, creating a larger domestic market and improving social stability.